Thank you for your interest in the Cool Choices game in Green and Healthy Schools. This tutorial will detail how to play the Cool Choices game. To start, students should log into Cool Choices every single day. When logging in, this is the screen that they should see, the home screen. To play a card, go to the Play icon on the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen. After clicking this button, you should see all of the cards available to play. At the top of the screen, you can see that I have one card I can play. By the end of the game, players will be able to play up to 3 cards a day. The first card everyone will be playing is having your teacher or game coordinator read the instructions and watch the game tutorial videos. Students are not expected to play all of the cards every day, and instead should choose the cards that they can play based on their habits and routine and location. When you want to play a card, click on the card. On the back of the card, you will find more information about the action taken, links to external websites, and the play button. Click the play button when wanting to play. For this card, it was a statement card, so you did not have to do anything else. Other cards you might find are upload a photo cards and short description cards where you might have to put in more information. Now that I have played this card, I have no other cards I can play for today. To see the cards I have already played, click that icon at the top. You can also use the search bar to search for specific cards. Similarly, you can categorize cards by types. There is the leap card, which is taking one big time action, a step card, which allows you to play a repeated sustainable action daily, a focus card, which examines an impact in detail, and a create card, which allows you to share ideas and images. To get the most out of your game, take some time to plan ahead for the actions you want to take. You can see what cards are available by sorting and searching for cards. You can also see card categories. For this game, we have travel, water, school, energy, wellness, and recycling categories. Some cards are one-time cards, and others are replay cards. You can see that at the bottom left of the card. You can also see the category on the bottom right. Students are expected to play cards every day to earn points and compete against other players in the game. At the end of the game, students will win prizes like t-shirts, water bottles, stickers, and more. To learn more, go to ghswisconsin.org. Thank you for your interest in the Cool Choices game, and we hope to play in your school this January.